Hello there. Welcome to Success Online Australia, where we share our knowledge on growing your sales through strategic planning on web development and optimization. If you want to know which site suits your online business, keep on watching as we discuss to you the overview of the funnel page site and the business website and their differences. Let's start with a question. What is a funnel? A funnel is a page site designed to move the visitor into the sales process. It tells the story with a beginning, middle and end that helps the visitor make a decision to choose you. Here are some of the story block formula of a funnel page site. First, we have the title, navigation block, cover block, services block, featured services, who we are block, the expertise, call us today block, the map address and hours block, and footer. This formula is a starting point on building your funnel page. There are still so many things that a funnel page site can offer. Want to know more about funnel page site? Email us at sales@successonline.com.au. Watch our upcoming videos as we explain more about funnels page site and business website. Please don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe on our channel and click the notification bell for you to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you for watching.